anong porsyento ng mga feed ang meat or luto na, anong porsyento yung talagang totoong bidding talaga? O do we assume na lahat ng bidding na nangyayari ay luto na, lutong-luto na?
Sa pananaw ko po, almost 100%.
No sniffing, Sindra.
Wala po talagang napipilitan po ang ating mga district engineer. Ang ating
Love
mga
you,
regional
baby.
director. Pagka po kasi may nagpaba ng pondo at hindi napunta sa kanila, kutakot-takot na pong panggigipit ang gagawin nito. Kamukha po ng ating mga representative. Pagka po hindi napunta dun sa mga gusto nila, nagagalit po. Meron din pong areas na meron pong naglakad. Pag hindi po napunta sa kanila, talagang iipiting ka nun. Later on, ikaw pa po ang gagawa ng issues or kakasuhan ka pa.
Another revelation
But,
before
yeah.
the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee was how billions of followers supported by Dolly Ford, former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, called former security aide Orly Potesa claims he was assigned to carry and deliver luggage containing money approximately amounting to 48 million pesos each. These were delivered to the houses of Quo and Romualdez.
Nakakuha na ako ng malita ng basura. Ang ibig sabihin ng basura ay malita na may lamang pera. Ang bawat malita ay may lamang humigit kumulang 48 million pesos. Ang bawat malita ay may pusit na nakadikit na nakasaad kung magkano ang laman ng bawat malita.
Gutesa further said that he delivered 46 pieces of luggage to Quo's house. If we do the math, 48 million per luggage multiplied by 46 would amount to roughly 2.2 billion pesos. The money was initially brought to Quo's house in Pasig, then on to Quo's condo unit in Taguig.
So part of December 7, 2024, doon ko po na aktuhan si Congressman Yap na siya mismo ang nag-deliver. Pagkatapos, mabilang ang sinasakay namin sa mga sakyang patungo sa Taguig, dumidiretso kami sa basement upang maibaba ang nasabing basura at dalhin sa unit ni Congressman Saldico.
Gutesa also claimed that he also delivered money 3 times to Romualdez. The first delivery was 35 pieces of luggage, 12 for the second round, and 15 pieces of luggage for the third.
And joining us on the show tonight is former Congressman and now Chief Communications Officer of the House of Representatives, Ace Barber. Good evening and welcome to the show.